Wow, I can finish my report so much faster now. Thanks to the internet, I found all the information I need in a minute. Computer makes studying so much easier. With computers, I can communicate instantly with clients all over the world. Imagine doing all this with just pen and paper.
Even during pandemic, we continue learning. Computer help us stay connected and productive.
Oh no! Data leak or personal information could be at risk. Wait, already lunchtime. What?
They improve our lives if we use them responsibly.